Hey, so this year marks 10 years since I have been doing these crazy Christmas cards for my family. It has been both a labor of love and also super fun. But I always come up with crazy ideas and not really sure if I can pull it off or not, and time always tells. This year, we're doing things a little different. One, probably my most favorite, is we are no longer doing the elf costume. Yes! Oh yeah! Little did people know that was putting me in women's tights every year. Not fun. Taking photos in the backyard with all my neighbors looking at us, pretty humiliating. No one wants to see that, let's be real. But we did it for the card and it was fun. Second thing we did is we are bringing in our children into the ideation process. Now typically every year I come to my wife and I say, hear me out, this is the idea I want to do for our Christmas card, what do you think? Between the cast and I'm not so sure, the answer is typically always yes. Bless my wife because 9 out of 10 she just lets me run with it. This year when I started talking to kids who are 6 and 4, asked them, if you can choose one thing we should put in our Christmas card, what should it be? The thing they landed on is they wanted to infuse a monster into this year's Christmas card. I can do monsters. Yes, yes. What is the most iconic monster of the Christmas season? And that's an easy no-brainer. It's Bumble from the old classic, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So I went to eBay and I found just that. Now this thing is like 20-some years old. They don't make these anymore. You can actually move them, which is great. I'm gonna walk through from start to finish, taking the photos. This whole thing is absolutely scrappy. Hey, hopefully this is a fun thing and it's cool to watch. I don't know, it's fun to make it. So hopefully you enjoy it. All right, here we go, let's jump in.
My eyes.
Yep. All right, let's do one more, kiddo. Now this one, I want you to be so scared, like,